Hey, what's going on, Kick family? Now this is a recipe alert. So I'm about to give you the perfect recipe for the perfect dry brine for any poultry, especially a turkey during the holiday season. So the first thing you want to do is get 3 tablespoons of salt, and that's kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and a zest from 1 whole lemon. Now get all those spices and seasonings combined. Now dry brining cuts out the unnecessary adding of water by using the natural moisture content of the meat to create a concentrated brine that will keep this turkey juicy as well as crisp up the skin. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Very short and sweet to the point, but I wanted to share a recipe with you guys that I know you can use during this holiday season. I want to thank you guys for checking this video out. I'll catch you next week.